As always, I am so grateful to see you. So if you've been around for even a minute, you pretty much have come to the understanding that one of our main objectives around here is to make our homes or wherever we may be dwelling at the moment as beautiful and as cozy as possible, all while keeping the process both simple and affordable. That said, we are tackling one of those issues that I'm pretty sure most of us have. The question pretty much still remains as far as the kitchen goes: how do we keep it functional while also aesthetically pleasing? Specifically today, we are talking about the dishwasher. So I'm going to be using a fabric that I already have. If you don't have a fabric budget at the moment, there are a lot of consignment or charity shops that have all kinds of sheets and they go for very affordably. Like I always say, fabric is fabric, and just because it was formerly something else doesn't mean it can't be transformed into something new and different. I was thinking through different options, but I think I'm going to go with Velcro as far as how I'm actually going to stick the curtain to the appliance, because I wanted to be able to easily change it out. Maybe I'm wanting to be festive and change out the material from holiday to holiday or season to season. Using Velcro as well makes it a renter-friendly option. So if you happen to be renting, this definitely could be a great option for you.
So free, such a mystery. Keep going your way, don't ever change, baby. I see you shining in a world of shade. Try to steal your color, but you still don't fade. I wanna take you to the after hour. Cactus flower, you're my cactus flower. I see your petals, I see your wildflower side. I wanna see you dancing in that light. I wanna hold you, I wanna pull you close, keep you warm in the winter when you're out on your own. Such a reckless heart, beauty wrapped in dangerous arms, but I want every part. All the thorns and the scars make you who you are. I see you shining in a world of shade. Try to steal your color, but you still don't fade. I wanna take you to the after hour. Cactus flower, you're my cactus flower. I see you shining in a world of shade. Try to steal your color, but you still don't fade. I wanna take you to the
Well, good morning, friends. So we managed to get her all finished. Problem is, I forgot a really pertinent piece of the puzzle, and that is the sticky portion that is going to help us apply the actual Velcro onto the dishwasher. So this morning we are going to make ourselves a little run to find Honestly, I'm not quite sure what we're going to use. Whatever they've got, we are going to have to make do. I'm also feeling a little naked without a mug in my hand and some caffeine in my system. So we're going to stop by the coffee shop, grab ourselves a little caffeinated drink, figure out something that will work, and then we'll get it all finished.
Tomorrow's never promised, but now is the time for hopes arising. Tomorrow's never promised, but now is the time for change that starts today.
Okay, so we are back. I ended up getting some sort of command hook replacement. I understand there's probably a lot better things to fit the mold of the solution that we're needing, but we ended up going to Target. Was Target the best place to look for something like this? No, but it's much more fun than a hardware store. Also got this hook, and my mindset around getting this was that it would hopefully replace the bar that is in the form of a handle on our dishwasher. It is massive, intrusive, sticks out way too much for the look that we are going for. So I'm going to go ahead and remove that and cross our fingers that this will work in its place. Blake is not here to discuss whether or not he's okay with that removal, but I will say, as long as we've been married, he pretty much just expects anytime he's gone for an extended period of time that he will be met with massive changes upon his arrival. So, should be all right.
Tomorrow's never promised, so seize the time, make now forever smile. Tomorrow's never promised, so make this day a time you can replace. Whoa.
All I can say as far as that project went is I don't know why it took me so long to actually do it. I truly think it's just as functional as it always was. Now it is just so much more aesthetically pleasing. Speaking of aesthetically pleasing, last year during Father's Day, the kids and I got Blake an espresso machine, and ever since I placed it on the cabinet in that area, I always thought how cool it would be to turn the upper cabinet portion that is above it into some sort of coffee bar. So again, while we're in the area in this video, I figured we might as well just go ahead and do that today. I already cleared everything off that was originally on it, and now all we've got left to do is kind of pick and choose what we want to be there and go from there. So to be honest, I actually had no idea where we were gonna go as far as the scheme of this project. So what I like to do is kind of thumb through everything I have, and based on what I'm seeing and kind of feeling in the moment, I'll start to build a collection. And while I was doing that, this time I came across this mug that I had, and I thought it would be fun if we ended up using this sweet little thing as the inspiration for the colors and kind of look and feel of the coffee bar situation that we're making. So I'm also wanting to go at this from a practical point of view, and one of the things that I have absolutely grown to love using is these icon glasses. I've really been into cold brew at the moment, and these are so perfect for that. My oldest daughter Lola has liked drinkware accessories for a few years now, so she has amassed quite the collection. So anytime I'm wanting to make myself a little fancy drink, I'll use one of my icon glasses and borrow from one of her little glass straws. Also, goal with this was to get of the an to I can say a fart and